In India, consumers generally face a number of problems. They include non-availability of goods, adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, deceptive and misleading selling techniques, and false warranties or guarantees, etc.
While we're all different, we have at least one thing in common. Every one of us is a consumer. And as consumers, we have rights. But do we really know what they are?
Good morning to one and all watching this video. So today myself Arpita and my mates of class 10 are going to show you a quiz on topic consumer rights. So it consists MCQs and an interesting game named I Have You Have. And at the end, my mate Soham is going to give an information about Environment Day, which is celebrated every year on 15th. So firstly, we will start with MCQs. And the first question is to be questioned by Vedant. So Vedant, please proceed.
Okay, question is, why do we need to have set rules and regulations for consumer rights? This is to be answered by Arpita.
My answer is option A, to protect and promote the interests of consumers against unethical and unfair trade practices. The next question is to be questioned by Ume Salma.
My question is, when was the Consumer Protection Act passed in India? This question is to be answered by Devika.
My answer is option B, 1986. Now the next question is to be questioned by Soham.
In which year did the United Nations adopt the guidelines from the Consumer Protection? This question is to be answered by Grishma.
My answer is option C, 1985. The next question is to be questioned by Priyanka.
My question is, when was the Right to Information Act passed? This question is to be answered by Kirti.
My answer is option A, October 2005. Now the next question is to be questioned by Arpita.
What was the cause of rise of consumers movement? This question is to be answered by Nishu.
My answer is option B. The movement grew out of consumers' dissatisfaction due to unfair practices of sellers. Now the next question is questioned by Devika.
My question is, what can be the maximum claim amount at the district level of the Consumer Court? This question is to be answered by Ume Salma.
The answer is option C, up to 20 lakhs. The next question is to be questioned by Grishma.
Which one of the following does not provide certificate of standardization in India? This question is to be answered by Soham.
My answer is option D, Copra. Now the next question is to be questioned by Kirti.
When is the National Consumers Day celebrated in India? This question is to be answered by Priyanka.
My answer is option C, 24th December. Now the next question is to be questioned by Nishu.
The quasi-judicial machinery set up at the highest level for redressal of consumer disputes is. This question is to be answered by Vedant.
My answer is option D, National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Now the next question is to be questioned by Soham.
What was the name given to the agency at the global level for the protection of consumer rights? This question is to be answered by Arpita.
My answer is option D, Consumers International. The next question is to be questioned by Vedant.
When is World Consumer Right Day celebrated? This is to be answered by Arpita.
My answer is option B, 15th March. The next question is to be questioned by Devika.
My
Sorry,
question
What does what does ISO stands for? This question is to be answered by Devika.
My answer is option C, International Organization for Standardization. Now the next question is to be asked by Soham.
How many district consumers courts are there in the country? This question is to be answered by Grishma.
My answer is option B, 586. The next question is to be questioned by Priyanka.
My question is, in which of the following way exploitation in marketplace happens in India? This question is to be answered by Kirti.
My answer is option E. All A, B, and C are correct. The next question is to be questioned by Arpita.
My question is the consumer movement in India has led to the formation of various organizations which are locally known as. This question is to be answered by Nishu.
My answer is option C, Copra. Now the next question is to be asked by Devika.
My question is, why is an individual consumer more vulnerable to exploitation? This question is to be answered by Salma.
My answer is option A. Individual consumers buy in small amounts and are scattered. The next question is to be questioned by Grishma.
Why has the consumer movement still not get momentum in India? This question is to be answered by Soham.
My answer is option D, unwillingness of the people to take the right approach. The next question is to be questioned by Priyanka. Sorry, sir, Kirti.
If you live in a residential colony, you can approach that's against any unfair trade practice. This to be answered by Priyanka.
My answer is option A, Resident Welfare Association. The next question is to be questioned by Nishu.
My question is, the government of India protects the interests of consumers by standardization of products through BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. This question is to be answered by Vedant.
My answer is option A. Independent departments of consumer affairs were formed in the central and the state government. Now the next question is questioned by Soham.
What are the two unfair ways by which shopkeepers cheat the consumers? This question is to be answered by Arpita.
My answer is option A, with incorrect weights and measures and selling goods beyond their expiry date.
So here we have ended with MCQs, and let's get started with an interesting game named I Have You Have. So the first question is, what is hallmark? Does anyone have the answer?
Yes, I have the answer. My answer is hallmark is a mark by the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS certifying the purity of gold in India. Now my question is, by what means can the consumers express their solidarity? Does anyone have the answer?
Yes, I have the answer. Consumers can form union and formal association or groups for protection of their rights. Can be borne by the union or association. The affected man can deposit or pay their dues or responsibly sufficient amount in the office of consumer union or association of his locality. Now my question is, what is egg mark? Does anyone have the answer?
I have the answer. Agmark is a certification mark for agricultural products in India. It guarantees quality standards for agricultural commodities. Now my question is, what is adulteration?
I have the answer. When some foreign matter which is injurious to health, it is mixed with any good or natural production, it is called as adulteration. It is a way of exploiting consumers. Now my question is, what is a right to representation? Anyone has the answer?
Yes, I have the answer. Under the Consumer Protection Act 1986, consumers have the right to representation. It means the right to be heard and to be assured that consumers' interests will receive due consideration. It implies the following: consumers can file a case against exploitation in the consumer courts at different levels. No legal formalities are required for filing a complaint. No need for employing a lawyer. Now, my question is, discuss any three ways in which consumers are exploited producers. Does anyone have the answer?
Yes, I have the answer. Consumers are exploited by producers in the following way. First, duplicate articles. Sellers cheat and exploit consumers by representing and selling duplicate goods or old goods as new goods. Second, high price. Consumers are charged higher prices than the prescribed retail price by traders. Third, hoarding. Sellers create artificial scarcity in market by controlling the supply of products to fetch high prices in future. This action of seller is popularly known as hoarding. Now my question is, what is adulteration? Does anyone have this answer?
When some foreign matter which is injurious to health is mixed with any good or natural production, it is called adulteration. Now my question is, do consumers have any duties for protection against exploitation? Explain.
I have the answer. Yes, consumers have certain duties to avoid being exploited by producers and sellers. Some steps that they must take are as given below. First, consumers must look for standardized mark of ISI or AgMark, which ensures the quality of product as well as warranty period. Second, consumers should always ask for the cash memo and a warranty card. Third, consumer awareness organizations should be formed to create awareness among the masses relating to the consumer exploitation. Now, my question is, which factors are responsible for the birth of consumer movement in an organized form in the 1960s?
I have the answer.
Does
The
anyone?
factors reasonable for the birth of consumer movement in an organized form are, are as mentioned below. First, rapid food storage. Second, black marketing. Third, adulteration of food and edible oil. Now, my question is, in the case of pressure cooker, which safety rule should be observed by the producer? Does anyone has the answer?
Yes, I have the answer. Pressure cooker have a safety valve, which, if it is defective, can cause a serious accident. The safety manufacturers of the safety valve have to ensure the high quality. So here, with our game named I Have You Have, now my mate Soham is going to give information about Environment Day, which is celebrated every year on 5th June. So Soham, please proceed.
Thank you, Arpita, to introduce me. Myself, Soham Palkar from class 10A, would like to share short information about Environmental Day. I will quote: "We won't have a society if you destroy the environment." World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging the awareness and action for the protection of our environment. First held in 1974, it has been flagship campaign for raising awareness on emerging for environmental issues to marine pollution, human overpopulation, and global warming, to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. World Environment Day has grown to become a global platform for public outreach with the participation of over 143 countries annually. Each year, WED has a new theme that measure cooperation. NGOs, communities, governments, and all celebrities worldwide adopt to advocate environmental cases. Thank you. I would like to thank all the students to participate in the quiz. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.